Getting placed in Zoho, a renowned software development company, involves several key steps. Research and preparation. Start by researching Zoho, understanding its products, work culture, and the skills they prioritize. Brush up on your technical skills, particularly in programming languages and tools relevant to Zoho's projects. Building a strong resume. Create a concise and impactful resume that highlights your technical skills, academic achievements, internships, projects, and any relevant certifications. Tailor your resume to align with the job role you're applying for at Zoho. Online application. Visit Zoho's career page and apply for positions that match your skill set. Fill out the application form carefully, attaching your resume and a well-written cover letter. Aptitude and coding tests. If shortlisted, you will typically be required to take an aptitude test followed by coding tests. Practice solving problems on platforms like HackerRank or LeetCode to improve your coding skills and speed. Technical interviews. Prepare for multiple rounds of technical interviews focusing on data structures, algorithms, system design, and problem-solving skills. Be ready to write code on the whiteboard or online coding platform and explain your thought process. HR interview. If you clear the technical rounds, you will have an HR interview. Prepare to discuss your resume, career goals, strengths, weaknesses, and why you want to work at Zoho. Be honest and show enthusiasm for the role and company. Preparation resources. Use online resources like Geeks for Geeks, interview experiences shared by past candidates, and Zoho-specific preparation materials to understand the types of questions asked. Mock interviews. Practice with mock interviews to gain confidence and receive feedback on your performance.